video, we are going to solve this question, which is coming from the topic Olympiad Mathematics, or rather, it is coming from Olympiad Mathematics. Okay, so what are we going to do in order for us to solve this question? So in this question, they are simply asking us to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, the first thing that we are going to do here, we are going to introduce power 4 here, since here we are having power 4. So we are going to introduce power 4 here. Even here we are going to introduce power 4. Okay, after doing this, we are going to apply the laws of indices. So the laws of indices, as we can see, we are having two powers. We are having x to the power 4 and we are having power 4. So here we are having x to the power 4, here we are having 4. So we are having two powers. So what are we going to do, since we are having the bracket in between? So we are going to multiply these two powers. So this is what we are going to do. So here we are having x. So x to the power 4 times power 4 is equal to 4x to the power 4 is equal to 64, is equal to 64 to the power 4. Okay, after doing this, we are going to demarcate here. So after, okay, so we are going to let uh, x to the power 4 to represent y, in order for us to simplify our work. So this is what we are going to do. So where there is x to the power 4, we are going to write y. Where there is x to the power 4, we are also going to write y is equal to 64, is equal to 64 to the power 4. Okay, 64 to the power 4. So here we are going to simplify this one. Here we are going to say 8 to the power 2 is equal to 64. So having h to the power 2 is as good as having 64. Then we put them in bracket. After doing this, we introduce power 4. Power 4, here we are having y to the power y. Okay, so we are going to have y to the power y is equal to 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So here we are going to have 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So as we can see, here we are having the power of y, or we are having power y, and here we are having exponent y. We are having exponent y. Here we are having power 8. Even here we are having exponent 8. Okay. After doing this, let me clear the board so that I can create enough space for our calculations. So I'm going to introduce this. I'm going to say y to the power y is equal to 8 to the power 8. Okay, so here we can easily see that y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8. So the initial value of y is equal to x to the power 4. X to the power 4 is equal to y. Or we can say y is equal to x to the power 4. After doing this, where there is y here, we are going to write x to the power 4. So we are going to say x to the power 4 is equal to 8. X to the power 4 is equal to 8. So here we are going to introduce the fourth square root of the fourth square root of x to the power 4 and the fourth square root of 8. So our answer, so this is our answer. So our answer is equal to negative or positive or negative fourth square root of 8. So this is our final answer.